Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just had this lovely Mazda 3 come into stock. It's the 2-litre petrol. It's the sport with the navigation. It's got a lot of extras on it, very high spec. It's got front park distance control, finished in a silvery grey, I'd say more grey. Got anthracite grey alloy wheels. Bodywork's in lovely condition. Rear privacy glass. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts. As you can see, it's in lovely condition throughout. Boot area is in lovely condition. And then back in the interior is all lovely. Electric windows, electric mirrors, got Bose speakers. Just step inside the car. It's got satellite navigation. It's got heads-up display, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, park distance control with reverse camera. Don't worry about that black thing, that's not on the screen, that's just the shutter speed of doing a video. Air conditioning, 3-stage heated seats. Oh, it's got more extras than the Mercedes. Full iDrive system down here. Air conditioning, I think I've already said. Centre armrest, just here. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.